Hey guys, today's video I have another Christmas Dollar Tree DIY for you guys, and all of these DIYs I actually made them with the wall stickers and the window clings that you can get from Dollar General and Dollar Tree for just $1. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be making over this little Christmas bucket that they have right now at Dollar Tree. And you guys have seen me make over a bucket like this in the fall time as well, and you guys love that DIY. So what I did was I just painted it completely white because I'm going for like a neutral kind of white and black theme this year. And then I'm going to take this wall sticker that I found at Dollar General that comes with a bunch of words on it. And this is how it's supposed to look when you put it all together. It's supposed to create like a Christmas tree, which is really pretty if you want to do that. But I knew that I could buy this for $1 and make a ton of DIYs out of it with all the different letters. So, all the different words. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So the one that I'm going to be using for this bucket is the one that actually says Merry Christmas. And then I'm just going to put it in the front of the bucket. And these wall stickers actually stick very well. So I didn't have to use any Mod Podge or anything like that like I had to do with the window clings, because like I said, it sticks very well to the surfaces that you're putting it on. To decorate this bucket, I just put some Christmas flower picks that I found at Dollar Tree, and this, I feel, guys, came out gorgeous. Like, it's so simple to make and so easy and so budget friendly, but it looks so beautiful, and you can never go wrong with decorating with florals in your home, because I feel like bringing in the greens and the reds and any type of floral into your home during Christmas makes any part of your home beautiful. For the next DIY, we're gonna make some book decor, and I love making like book decor for the different seasons and for the different types of styles, whether it's farmhouse, whether it's glam, whether it's just modern. You could take books and dress them up or dress them down to fit any type of decor, any type of season. So what I'm doing is I have some leftover books from a project I did a while back, and these are all Dollar Tree books, and I'm just gluing them together before I paint them. Now I'm using hot glue gun, but I suggest to use that one glue that I talk about all the time that it's just like E6000 glue. Is the adhesive glue that you can find in the auto section. That works great, but I had ran out, so that's why I'm using hot glue gun for this video. So I'm going to paint these books completely white because, like I said, I'm going for that all white, black, and red look for this Christmas season with a touch of like the light blues. And so this is how it looks once it's painted completely white. And so the stickers that I'm going for this one, I'm actually going to make 2 sets of these book decor pieces. But this first one, I'm going to use the one that says Deck the Halls. And then the second one, I'll use the one that says Tis the Season. So for this one, I'm going to make it kind of look like a gift. So after I put the words on here, I'm going to wrap it with a red ribbon to look like basically like you would wrap a gift. Now I know when you see some book decors, whenever you see the writing, they tend to put the writing on the right side of the book, but I like to put mine on the left because I feel like that's just how we naturally read, is from left to right. So for me, I just put mine on the left, but I've seen more decor pieces in the store, and when people do their own type of DIYs or when they sell it on Etsy, they tend to put the writing on the left. But for me, I just, I prefer it on, they put the writing on the right, and I just prefer to do it on the left. But you can do it either way. Both ways look nice, but I just prefer to put mine on the left. But like I said, you could do it either or. For the next set of books, I did the exact same way. The only thing is I added "'Tis the Season" to it, and I'm still gonna add the red ribbon to this one, only I kind of ran out of like having like long ribbon. I only had like strips of the red ribbon that I had on hand from like other projects. I had only like little bits and pieces of it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it work anyway instead of buying something else. So what I'm doing is, instead of like wrapping it around and putting a bow, I'm just going to use the strips and kind of make a cross on it to make it look like it's wrapped again, but this time instead of adding a bow to the top, I'll just add some floral picks to it. And this is how it looks once I was done gluing down all the strips of ribbon. And I was actually happy because I didn't have to buy any new ribbon. I could just use the strips that I had on hand and make it work. So the pick that I'm going to use to put on the top of this is a pick that I got from Dollar Tree. It's a beautiful little white berry pick that comes with the pine cones on it. And so I'm going to cut the long piece off of it so that I can glue it onto the part where all the little ribbon intersects. And be careful, like I told you guys in my last Dollar Tree DIY video, whenever you cut these picks or anything or take things apart, like from the little snaps that they have, they do tend to come apart, all the pieces that were put together. So just be careful when you're cutting it. Hold on to it if you want to keep it in the same kind of design that you see it in, because it will fall apart. As you can see, mine starts falling apart. But that's okay, because I kind of wanted to redesign mine. But again, if you want to have yours exactly the way it was designed before, just make sure you hold on to it when you cut the pieces off. And here's how both of my book decors turned out, and I just absolutely love them. I think they are so gorgeous, and I know that they sell these online and in the stores for way more than what I paid to make these. So definitely don't overpay. If you want some type of book decor in your home, you can definitely make it yourself with Dollar Tree items for way less. So definitely don't overpay in the store for them. For the next DIY, I'm going to take this wooden tree that they have at Dollar Tree right now. It kind of looks like a napkin holder, but the shape that it has inside it doesn't give you room to hold napkins, so I actually didn't know what it's supposed to be. But I'm going to paint it white instead of painting it green, because like I said, I'm going for that white, black, modern look for Christmas this year, and I wanted to just have everything white and black with like touches of red and light blues. So I'm going to go in with the letters that say ho ho ho, and the reason why I'm using these is because I figured I can cut the ho 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 out individually and then put them going up and down on the tree as opposed to side. Like the other words, I wasn't able to, have that option where I could put them like up and down, and I figured that the ho 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 would look perfect to put it up and down the tree and have like a little writing on this tree. And then I figured that this tree would be perfect to like hold my straws for my coffee bar, because at first when I was making this, I didn't know what I was going to use it for, and then I realized it would be perfect for my coffee bar because the letters on this are the same color blue as the straws that I have in my coffee bar, my paper straws that I have in my coffee bar. So I thought this would be perfect to add to my coffee bar, so that is what I'm using it for. I don't know what else you guys can use it for. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have gotten any of these like wooden cutout type of shapes from Dollar Tree before in the past, and what have you used it for? Like, what have you put inside it, or if you put anything inside it, what have you used it for? The only thing I can see is I can use it for holding straws, and that's what I used it for, but I don't know what else you can use this for as far as like putting something in the middle. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys have used it for, or what you guys suggest it can be used for besides holding straws. And this is how the tree turned out, and I think it looks so cute paired up with my blue paper straws, and I can't wait to use it in my coffee bar. Now as you can see, I paired it up with this little crate that I made with the stickers as well. So I took one of the little Dollar Tree has these little mini crates that come in 2 different sizes, which I'll show you the other one later on this video. But I decided to paint this little wooden crate red, and then I just added stickers to it as well. But the stickers that I added to this one was the one that I had left over from the Christmas tree farm sign that I shared with you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below, but that's where I got these stickers from. And this is the other size mini crate that Dollar Tree has in its Crafter Square section, and I also painted it red as well. And for this one, I'm just going to put the words that say Holly Jolly in front of it. To decorate this little crate, I decided to do something different and to add some lamb's ear inside of it instead of adding some Christmas florals, and I actually like the look of it, and I think I might make another one of these little crates, and instead of using the Holly Jolly sticker, I'm going to use the gold foil letters that Dollar Tree has and spell out Holly Jolly with the gold foil, and then use that to decorate my office, because I think that this little crate with the lamb's ear and the gold writing will look beautiful. And I just wanted to let you guys know that with these pictures, you do see kind of like the outer part of the sticker, but when you're decorating with it, honestly, all you see is the letters itself. It's just that for me, when my lights hit this and taking pictures of these DIYs, it picks up everything. So you see like the foil or the clear film of the pictures of the clear film of the stickers. But when you're actually decorating with these pieces, you don't see it. You just see the letters. It's just that with my lighting and my camera, it picks up everything. So don't think that you'll see the whole part of the stickers, the clear part of the stickers, because it doesn't show if you don't want it to show. For the next DIY, I made over this little mini tray that they also have in the Crafter Square section at Dollar Tree. And I like this one because it has like a star cutout, and you can use it for, you know, Christmas time or for the 4th of July. So what I did was I painted this one white as well. You know, I'm doing that all white look. And the reason why this one needs to be all white is because I'm actually going to be using the red lettering sticker on this sticker sheet, and the one that I'm going to be using is the one that says Merry and Bright. And you see me right there making sure that it is going to fit, because I didn't want to try to put it on and the words didn't fit. And this Merry and Bright fit just perfectly on this little mini tray. So if you ever want to do this mini tray and redo it, remake this actual DIY, the Merry and Bright fits just right on this little tray. And this is how it turned out. It's such a cute little tray that you can basically use anywhere in your home. And I just decorated with items that I found at Dollar Tree, like little ornaments and berries and pine cones. For the next DIY, I use this window cling that I got from Dollar Tree, and you guys have seen me use this sheet already with the signs that I made and I've shared with you guys. But for this DIY, I'm going to be actually putting one of the stickers on the front of this little like flower pot, galvanized flower pot, I guess that's what you call it. But I'm going to be using the one that has like a little wreath that has the word joy in the middle of it. And I'm going to stick it onto it. Well, I tried to stick it onto it thinking it was going to be like a sticker, but these are window clings, so they don't stick to other surfaces quite well. So after trying to put it on there and seeing that it was moving around and didn't stay, I decided to go in with some Mod Podge and just glue it down with Mod Podge. And at first it does look like it's going to be, you see all the whiteness of the glue, but Mod Podge does, you know, dry clear. So you won't see it after you're done, but I did have to use Mod Podge for these window clings. And then to decorate this DIY, I just used some florals that I found at Dollar Tree this year, and I'm really impressed by the florals that Dollar Tree has been having lately. They have really been stepping up their game every year with their florals. They look so natural and so real that I'm really impressed by the ones that we got this year. Now, I wanted to share with you guys that I still had a lot more of the letters that on the sticker sheet, and so stay tuned on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me, because I might make some more DIYs. I'm not sure, but if I do, you will see it on my Instagram page. And that is it for today's video, guys. This should be my last Dollar Tree DIY for Christmas, because I feel like everybody's already decorated for Christmas, so there's no point in making any more. Everybody already has their themes and stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed all my Dollar Tree DIYs that I made for Christmas for you guys this year. I really wanted to give you guys a variety of different things to do and to decorate with. And stay tuned for my new videos this year. I'm going to be doing some different things on my channel where I interact with you guys a little bit more and do a lot of self-love and kind of marriage things as well on my channel for the new year. But I'm still going to do DIYs, and I'm also going to share tips with you guys on organizations and mommy tips and cleaning and all that for you guys in the new year. But until then, let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see, because I make these videos for you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.